Here, this one's yours.
That's for Coco. Don't put the fork there. I don't know why you keep on putting it there.
I don't know, because he likes it. I don't know.
No, not good. Mm-mm.
Here, Coco.
At least I can grab things out of his beak now. That's different, eh? Soon we'll be taking baths together. Hmm? Yeah, that'll make you walk away. Coco! You silly bird. You're so silly. You're so silly. I love you, but you're so silly. Hmm? You're so silly. I love you. I love you. Give me a kiss. Bisous. Bisous. Quack, quack, quack. What are you, a little chicken? You a chicken? What are you, a chicken? Quack, quack, quack. You chicken?